Welcome to the EasyPhone tutorial on creating a quote. Let's start by entering a username and password to log in. A quote works in a similar way to how you would place a normal order, by adding the desired products to your cart. But instead of processing the order through the checkout feature, you can click the Save Quote button and enter the quote name. From here, you can either email the quote to yourself or download the quote as an editable Excel spreadsheet, allowing you the ability to add your margins for your pricing. When you are in the cart, you can also generate a quick freight quote. Enter the delivery address postcode, and our site will then display the varying freight options available to you, listed with estimated timeframes and pricing, allowing you to compare and choose the right freight option for your potential order. The next time you log back into our website, click the Load Quote button to retrieve the specific quote required. Once loaded, you will have the option to delete, view, or to convert an order. Converting the quote to an order is easy. All you must do is update the dispatch date to make sure the products are still in stock, remembering a quote does not book the stock. From here, press Checkout and complete the final stages of the order process to convert a quote to a confirmed order. Want to learn more? Here are some other videos that might come in handy.